Today I'm going to teach you how to enable the category listings report. Some sellers might already have this enabled and some sellers might not even know what it is. It's a very, very helpful report that essentially gives you all the details and attributes for your current listings. I'm Dylan from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into the video. Okay, we're going to start off by going to where you can download this report. Reports, inventory reports, and then if you have it enabled, you will see category listings report. Click that, don't set any dates, and then request report. Not setting any dates gives you all your current listings, item name, attributes, everything you can think of. Let me show you an example of the report that I already downloaded so you can get an idea of what it looks like. Inside you can see title, SKU, brand name, your category. It's a very, very powerful flat file essentially. You can see your parentages, your bullet points, and all your attributes. This is what you can use to do partial updates and full updates and really push through some stubborn changes on Amazon. Okay, so let's say you don't have this enabled or you just can't find it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to help, click get help and get resources. Type in my issue is not listed, and all you're simply gonna type in is please enable the category listings report for my account. This will be in the description below. Click continue. Just give it a second. Click my issue is not listed. Just do FBA related, doesn't really matter. And then choose the chat option. Trust me. Once you click chat now, you'll get a pop-up chatting with seller support. Reiterate the question, please enable the category listings report. Most of the time they get it on the first go. If someone has no idea what they're talking about, as you know what seller support's like, just open another ticket or another chat, and eventually you'll find someone that can enable it for you. And you'll literally have it within 5 minutes. That's all it takes. So that's it. Once again, I'm Dylan from AMZ Joy. I hope this video helped. If you got any questions, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.